Hi, hello, Dr.Stocks viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. And this video is regarding the current IPO trend, which is going to happen today. That is going to get closed today. So it is two companies today. One is the Dodla Dairy, and the next one is KIMS Hospital Group. So we're going to detail discuss about both these IPOs and which one to go and what would be the actual valuations, whether these valuations are in matching with the streets. All things we're going to see here. Let's go ahead and check about this IPO. First, let's go ahead and see about Dodla Dairy IPO. So the company is repeatedly giving good profits. So that is one point we have to keep in track on Dodla Dairy. So we have some good listed peers in this industry as well. So the industry P of this dairy product business. So we have around very close to companies like Hudson, Heritage, Parag, and Umang. Okay. So these are the main dairy product companies here in listed space, and Dodla Dairy is one of the third largest procurement of daily milk as per the capacity wise, and they are doing good in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh area. So they are completely available in this southern part of the India. So when compared with the other parameters, right? So what are the other things we have to compare when we do a IPO? Is like what is it written on equity? What is it written on capital employed, and what is its book value, and what is its PE? All these things will judge whether this IPO is going to be valued good to apply or it is overpriced. So we're gonna see about that detailing. Comparatively, Dodla Dairy is available with an ROCE of 17%. So in this industry, it is almost very close to third largest player when compared with the ROCE, and first being Hudson Agro, and after that it's going to be first being Heritage, and after that it's going to be Hudson Agro. So Dodla is coming right now in the third one. Moving on with the return on equity is very close to 9.97. So when comparatively with Heritage and Hudson, again it is in the third position, and we have Parag Milk also coming very close to this. Moving on with the return on net worth, this is occupying the second space, whereas Hudson Agro is occupying the first space. There is 12.4 with Hudson Agro, and Dodla Dairy is giving a return of net worth of around very close to 11.5%. Moving on with the actual valuation. So actual valuation is getting calculated with respect to the industry PE as well as the PE of the company, and we will be comparing the price per book value as well. So PE of Dodla Dairy is right now at very close to 15.35, whereas the industry PE for this dairy product is very close to 38. So expectations is the valuation wise it is very normal, medium at the when comparative with the price of the industry. So moving on with the price per book value, it is very close to 4.33. Right now it is looking in level to the market expectation. So it is not overpriced or it is not lower price. It is in sync with the market price. So that is what I have for Dodla Dairy as per the valuation base. So looks good as per the industry valuations prospectus as well. So let's move on to the in-depth data of what is this IPO and what are the dates of this IPO. So it is like they are coming out with an offer for sales of around very close to 470 crore, and this face value is 10, and the price band for this IPO is 421 to 438, and the lot size here is 35. So you need to go for a minimum of one lot as per retail category. That would be like 14,980, and for maximum lots you will be giving 1,94,740. And this is being listed in both BSE and NSE. So that's all I have. So coming on to the application point of view and what are the returns you can expect in this category. Here again, as of now, it is going good as per the application wise as well. Here the retail category is given an open share allocation of around very close to 35%. So means that it is going to be in line with the streets, and it is going to give you a minimum profit of 30 to 35% a year as applicable for this Dodla Dairy. So kindly go ahead and try your luck, my dear friends. So moving on to the next IPO for the day, that would be our KIMS hospital. So right now, hospital sector is going to be the hottest sector in the market. You actually know the reason. Due to the pandemic, hospitals are rocking like anything. So we have so many listed space here in this sector as well, like Apollo, Fortis, Narayana Hydrolaya, Max Healthcare, and Healthcare Global. So Comparatively, we're going to go about all the things in detail, like what is its return on equity, return on capital employed, and return on net worth. We're going to check about its industry PE as well as its price per book value as well. So, as per these things, we're going to check the valuations at the last. We're going to check with the fundamentals at first. Okay. Again, the company is repeatedly posting good profit here, so that need to be noted here. Company is giving very good profit. Moving on with the return on capital employed, so far in this category, KIMS is going to give a very good return on capital employed. It is very close to 28. So when compared to Apollo and Fortis, they are giving very close to Apollo is giving very close to 14. Fortis is giving very much equal to 2.64. The rest all in this category are giving a very less return on capital employed. So that need to be noted. Means that KIMS is utilizing their stocks in a very good way. That is one thing. Return on equity, again, KIMS is leading here with 23.4%. So that is one of the key thing. Return on net worth, again, KIMS is leading here with 23.3, and the peer groups are coming very below this, like 12.9 and 13, something like that. Apollo is in that category only. Moving on with the valuation point, so what is the valuation of this hospital, whether it is good to go and whether it is priced too much or it is priced low? No, we're going to check that as well. So comparatively, the industry PE for this sector is 40 and KIMS is coming under the PE of around very close to 31.23, whereas Apollo is 238 and Max Healthcare is 490. Rest all companies in this category are going in a loss right now. So KIMS is available very cheap when compared to others in the player who are listed so far. Price per book value, again, KIMS is the lowermost with good profit like 7.15 and Apollo is right now at 15.3. So comparatively, the other players are very close to, Narayana is very close to 8.82. So comparatively for this price, the price to book value is very cheap for KIMS. Like it is listing at around very close to 825 rupees, right? So that is the comparatively we have used for. So when comparatively compare with the other peers, okay, this is going to be a rocking stock for the next 3 months. So there is no doubt here. The reason being, this is having around a bed capacity of around very close to 3,000 next to Apollo. So that is one point, and they are given a very good result for the past 1 year. As you guys know, how they have worked and what would be the returns on. Even a small hospital is gaining this much, but we have to consider a 3,000 bed hospital like this, how it would have made in this pandemic. So we have crossed 2 waves so far. So see about the growth of this company. Now moving on with the important things of this IPO, like price and how it is going to be. So the thing is that it is coming very close to 2,200 crore IPO, and it is a book building type, and issue size is 2143 crore, and fresh issue is only 200 crore, and offer for sale is around very close to 1943. This is the only disadvantage, means that the existing stakeholders are selling the stocks. The face value of this is again at 10. The price band is 815 to 824. So minimum lot size here is 18. And this is what we have. And in listing, we will be listing in both BSE and NSE. I mean to say KIMS. And this both Dodla and KIMS are coming into the issue. Open date from 16 to 18. We have another 1 hour to go for this IPO. So I would advise you to go ahead and try the luck out for this IPO as well, my dear friends. IPO allotment date is 23 and the refund date is 24, and Demat, credit to Demat is 25, and listing date is 28 for both. The main important thing here is the allocation proportion, right? So retail is given only 10%. So this clearly makes that KIMS is going to be demanded in allocation wise as well. And I'm going to say one more thing on a long term basis for around very close to 3 months. You can try to hold this stock for minimum of 50 to 75% returns from the current day of investment. That is around very close to 15,000. You can expect a return of around very close to 50 to 75% at this moment. So that's all I have for the day, my dear friends. Dodla and KIMS both are good at the moment as an investment perspectives. For short term, you can go for Dodla, and for long term investment, you can go for this guy KIMS, and this is what I have. So you can expect a returns of around very close to 30% in Dodla for the listing gains, and you can expect 50 to 75% in a short term basis. Sorry, on a long term basis. For around very close to 3 months, I am saying that would be coming at a short term only, but this KIMS is going to rock this space for sure in coming days. Thanks, friends. Thanks for watching this video. See you all. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay in a good way. Bye. Take care.